Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the control menu, and in this menu you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should have the numbers and basically percentages on it. This is the battery icon. Tap on it and this will bring you to this menu. And in this menu you can scroll down, and at the bottom you have the low power mode option. To enable the power saving mode, flick the switch on, scroll down and tap on turn on. If you tap on turn on, the low power mode will be enabled, or power saving mode will be enabled basically. And you can tell that it's enabled by this icon right here on the watch face, or by opening the control menu. And here you will see that the percentages icon is yellow, which means that the low power mode is enabled. Okay, and to disable the power saving mode, simply open the controls menu, tap on the battery icon, scroll down and flick the switch off, basically by tapping on it like this. You can also enable the power saving mode for certain period of time. So if you flick on the switch, scroll down, you can tap on the turn on for, and you have 1 day, 2 days or 3 days. So if you select for 1 day, the power saving mode will stay on for 1 day, and then it will turn off automatically. Okay, let's turn it off and go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.